So, good evening, dear kids, all the coaches, the mentors, the parents, and all the table tennis professionals, table tennis lovers at this platform of ePathshala Athletes Coaching Program run by Table Tennis Federation of India and Sports Authority of India and hosted by Netaji Subhash Eastern Center, Kolkata. Today is Thursday, and I think if I am calculating 15, 16, 17, 18, 19th day of this e-Pathshala. And as in the initial sessions, we had committed to all the kids and the parents and the coaches that we will be offering a cuisine full of variety for the players and the coaches. During these past sessions, we had tried to manage good speakers and we had been succeed in that also. They had talked with you regarding the biomechanics of table tennis, regarding the exercise physiology, regarding the pedagogy of coaching, various skills. Some of them has given you some good exercises, some specific exercises, some general exercises. Every week we are conducting a session of yoga, but today's session is delivered by someone who is having an expertise in so many fields. Apart from being a very good table tennis player in her early days, she has represented Assam, as what I can see from her CV. If I'll start reading it, then up to 5:30 to quarter past 6, it will take almost. Then she will be left with 15 minutes only. So I am just concising it a bit. And she has done post graduation in psychology with the specialization in human resources development and management. Then she has done her graduation also in psychology from Assam University. She was a table tennis coach in Don Bosco and Kanika Excellence. There is a tutorial institution where she has delivered some sessions. She has done internship in Mind India and few other institutes. She is skilled with neuro-linguistic programming and transactional analysis. It is very tough for me to even pronounce. Some tongue twisting is there. Therapeutic skills, basic motivational skills, which we need a lot because these all things are related with the computer applications. Then counseling and so many things, so many aspects, so many horizons she had achieved during her internship, during her college, during her school life. And as I can see the certificate of merits, she is completed skill-based program, the therapist from Amrit Asami Institute of Living Life, then basic skills in neuro-linguistic programming, and so many things, mental health, mind power, sports psychology, by athlete, learning gateway, art of thesis. Oh, of course, very good area, very interesting area. And as a player, she had represented Assam team in Alappuzha, Kerala, 68 sub-junior nationals, then 70th sub-junior national in Vijayawada, Andhra Pradesh, and school nationals, CBSE nationals also. So the list is quite long. And last but not the least, he had secured first position in state championship in sub-junior singles, sub-junior team, junior girls doubles, junior girls team, and many more accolades she has provided to her institute, to her city, to her school, and of course to her state. So we are feeling very privileged to introduce Ma'am Sanjana today on this platform. Ma'am, of course, as per her introduction, will be delivering some good tips on the sports psychology. There are various variables of sports psychology. Ma'am is the best person who can deliver these all things to you kids today. Ma'am, you're welcome on this platform of Sports Authority of India and Table Tennis Federation of India. Please proceed.
Thank you, sir. Good evening to one and all present here. So, as sir has already introduced me, so my name is Sanjana Raj, and I'm a psychologist and an educator by profession. So, I would like to thank Suman Parekh ma'am as well as Dr. Atul Dubey sir for giving me this opportunity to present myself here. And I would request Vishwajit sir to unmute Suman ma'am as well, since I'll be needing her help in between, as well as Atul sir can also help me whenever I get stuck. And I'm like, please forgive me if I do any mistake or if I say something wrong. Please forgive me because even I am also learning. So thank you, sir. So today's session, before I start, let me share my PPT here. So I hope everyone can see. So it's visible, right?
Yeah, purely viewable.
Okay. So good evening all, good evening participants, and welcome to my session. So today we'll be discussing on what is mind and how it is important in sports, how it works in sports, and how we can control our mind so that we can control ourselves. So control it before it controls you. So before we start, I would request everyone to sit down in a comfortable position, close your eyes, and calm your mind. So now we will be chanting a Shanti mantra. You can speak it out loudly or you can silently chant it inside your head. So the only motto of chanting this mantra is to make yourself calm and peaceful. So that whatever we learn today, that goes right into our mind and we can use it in our next future competitions or in future use. Okay. Parik ma'am. Hello ma'am. So is ma'am audible?
Ma'am, you have to unmute yourself.
Yes, yes. Welcome, Sanjana. I'm so happy to see you here on this platform. Like, really, I'm proud of you. And आज आप टेबल टेनिस खेल कर एक साइकोलॉजिस्ट बनकर बच्चों को वो बता रही हैं जो हमें टेबल टेनिस प्लेयर्स ही बता सकते हैं कि हमें कैसे अपने आप को टेबल पे कंट्रोल करना है, कैसे अपने इमोशंस को कंट्रोल करना है. तो बच्चे आप सब लोग ये आपके आपके माइंड के लिए, जैसा कि संजना ने कहा कि इससे पहले कि माइंड आपको कंट्रोल कर ले, आपको अपने माइंड को कंट्रोल करना है. आपके विचार आपके शरीर को कंट्रोल कर लें, उससे पहले आपको अपने आप को कंट्रोल करना है, अपने शरीर को, अपने विचारों को, अपनी भावनाओं को. तो सभी लोग सुखासन में बैठेंगे. मैं सबको चेक कर रही हूँ और सबके पास कॉपी और पेन होना चाहिए. वो अपने साथ लेकर बैठिए. जल्दी से ले आइए सब लोग. कॉपी और पेन लेके बैठिए और सुखासन में बैठिए. तो रेडी बच्चे? 1 minute. You have 1 minute and get the pen and paper. All the athletes, all the table tennis player, great players and coaches also. My colleagues, if they want some Shanti meditation exercises, please do some. And Atuldar, sir, aap bhi. Let's we have Shanti and meditation for some time. So everyone, sare player ready? Sanjana, now screen is yours and you can start.
Thank you, ma'am. So all of you, please sit in the meditation position. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. And repeat after me. Om Shahana Bhavantu. Shahana Bhunaktu. Shah Viryam Karvavahe. Tejasvinavadhitamastu.
Tejasvinavadhitamastu.
Ma Vidvishavahe. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. O God, may we all be protected. May we all be nourished. May we work together with great energy. May our studies be effective. Let there be no animosity amongst us. Om peace in me. Om peace in nature. Om peace in divine force. Feel what is around you. Close your eyes and feel what is around you. What are the emotions running within you? Forget about your tensions, your worries and stress. Just relax and open your mind for new information. Now slowly open your eyes. So once again, welcome you all to my session. Good evening, and I hope you will enjoy and you will learn a lot of new things from my session. Let us start with the thought. You can't always control what goes on outside, but you can control what goes on inside. This was given by Wayne Dyer, an American author. So यहाँ पे ये बोल रहे हैं कि हम बाहर के एनवायरनमेंट में जो भी हो रहे हैं हम उसको अपने काबू में नहीं कर सकते, बट जो हमारे अंदर हो रहे हैं हम उसको कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं, अपने काबू कर सकते हैं. So, जो हम लोग कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं उस साइड पे हम लोगों को ध्यान देना चाहिए. So, जैसे कभी कभार होता है कि वी गो फॉर अ प्रैक्टिस, हम लोग प्रैक्टिस करने जाते हैं एंड देन समटाइम्स वी फेस रेन स्टॉर्म, या कभी इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कट हो जाता है, या कभी कभार ऐसा हो जाता है कि रैकेट ले जाने के लिए भूल जाते हैं या शूज भूल जाते हैं, कहीं ना कुछ एक्सटर्नली होता रहता है. So instead of focusing on all those things, instead of focusing on the rain, instead of focusing on the environment, the noise and everything, या फिर electricity, let us focus on what is within us. क्या हम लोग कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं? हम लोग अपना एग्रेशन कंट्रोल करके, आज बारिश के वजह से इफ वी कांट गो टू स्टेडियम, लेट अस डू शैडो प्रैक्टिस, फुटवर्क एक्सरसाइजेस, स्किपिंग, योगा एक्सेट्रा घर पे बैठ के, सो दैट हम लोगों का वो टाइम वेस्ट ना हो जाए. वी आर डूइंग समथिंग और द अदर. या फिर जैसे इलेक्ट्रिसिटी चला गया, वी वेंट टू स्टेडियम एंड द इलेक्ट्रिसिटी इज गॉन, सो व्हाट वी डू देयर? खेल लो, जैसे कि सर्विस प्रैक्टिस कर लो या रिसीव प्रैक्टिस कर लो. You are utilizing that time. So control what you can control instead of thinking about what you can't control. जो आप काबू नहीं कर सकते हो उसको सोचना छोड़ दो. जो आप काबू कर सकते हो, think of that and utilize your time. So before we learn more, या फिर ज्यादा और आगे समझते हैं, उससे आगे let us understand what mind is. हम लोग सब लोग बोलते हैं like keep this in mind, माइंड पे रखो, या माइंड पे तुम्हारा क्या चल रहा है, तुम्हारा दिमाग ठीक से काम नहीं कर रहा. सो वी ऑलवेज लिसन द वर्ड माइंड एंड माइंड, बट व्हाट माइंड इज, नोबडी एक्सप्लेन्स अस कि माइंड है क्या भाई. सो लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज माइंड. सो माइंड इज नथिंग बट एन बॉल ऑफ एनर्जी. अब वहां पे एक पिक्चर दिया हुआ है, लुक दैट स्मॉल टाइनी कार्टून लाइक ह्यूमन बीइंग इज इनसाइड द बिग बॉल. So that the whole ball that surrounds you is your mind. ऐसा नहीं है कि माइंड ब्रेन के अंदर है या माइंड के अंदर ब्रेन है, नथिंग लाइक दैट. दैट होल एनर्जी दैट यू हैव विद इन यू, दैट इज माइंड. So mind is basically, we can say that it's a mental instructor, जो आपको instruct देते रहते हैं, अरे ये कर, ये अच्छा है, अरे वो मत खा, अरे इधर मत जा. That is your mind that gives you instruction. वो नेविगेटर है, आपको नेविगेट करता है कि if you think कि अरे मैं हार गई तो क्या हुआ, then but then the mind says, why are you thinking negative? Think of something positive. So mind is a developer. It consists of your emotions, your imaginations, your way of perceiving, the language you speak, आपका memory, that everything is within your mind. So mind is basically consists of what you think, what you feel, and what you want. So basically आपका mind, आपका thought process है, आपका emotional process है, और आपका desires जो आप fulfill करने चाहते हैं, that is your mind. That is your vichar, your bhavna, your icha. Yes ma'am. So those are the main functions of your human mind. So ये पूरा thinking जो है ना, हम लोग जो सोचते हैं, this thinking is the thing that controls you, your emotions and your decisions. So it controls everything. आपको पूरा काबू करते हैं आपका वो माइंड, आपका वो थॉट प्रोसेस. अगर वो ठीक नहीं है तो दैट विल मेक यू रन अराउंड. तो उसको आपको अपने काबू पे रखना पड़ेगा. So table tennis is such a sports. Table tennis एक ऐसा sports है where we have to have a small and certain amount of stress or tension. Table tennis में अगर stress या tension ज्यादा हो गया तो our mind will be blocked and चुटकी में the match is over. इसीलिए यहाँ पे टेबल टेनिस में हम लोग को स्मॉल अमाउंट ऑफ टेंशन चाहिए जो अच्छे के लिए होता है. बिकॉज या फिर पॉइंट इफ पॉइंट्स आर गोइंग आउट तो वी कांट हैंडल आउट के अच्छा पॉइंट्स तो जा रहे हैं, हमको समझ में भी नहीं आएगा, गेम खत्म हो जाएगा. सो वी नीड दैट स्मॉल अमाउंट ऑफ टेंशन कि पॉइंट जा रहे हैं, द पॉइंट्स आर गोइंग. सो इसीलिए वी नीड अ स्मॉल अमाउंट ऑफ टेंशन एंड वी नीड much more amount of focus, attention and concentration. These three things are very important, and to keep our mind under our control while playing, we need to focus on these three aspects: your thinking, your feelings and your desire to achieve what you want to achieve. So abhi I just want you all to write down this question as a homework or as a benefit for yourself. Just think, you don't need to anything, just think. बस सोचिए कि do you control your thinking? आपके सोच में आपका काबू है या फिर जो आपका सोच आता है उससे आप भागते रहते हैं. जो अगर इफ योर थॉट सेज, योर थिंकिंग प्रोसेस सेज कि नहीं आज प्रैक्टिस नहीं जाना है, सो आप घर पे सो जाते हो. इज दैट हैपन और द अदर वे राउंड कि आपको ऐसा फीलिंग्स आया कि आज प्रैक्टिस नहीं जाते हैं, आज इतना मस्त वेदर है, सो जाते हैं, बट देन यू से नो, प्रैक्टिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट एंड यू गो. सो डू यू हैव कंट्रोल ओवर योर थिंकिंग? Just think for a minute. I'm giving you 1 minute. Just think and write this down.
बच्चे किस किस का कंट्रोल नहीं है, कौन कौन बंक मारता है, जरा चैट में लिखो. कौन कौन आंधी तूफान में भी टाइम से जाता है या लेट होने के डर से कि अभी मैडम या सर की डांट पड़ेगी, उस डर से छोड़ देता है कि नहीं कल से मैं टाइम से जाऊंगा, आज मैं 10 मिनट लेट हो गया तो नहीं जाऊंगा. तो जरा लिखिए आप लोग, चैट बॉक्स में लिखिए कि आपकी किस किस की डिटर्मिनेशन जो है वो एकदम फोकस है आप लोग. We need your support, all the players.
यहाँ पे कोई ये राइट रॉन्ग सही गलत ये सब कुछ नहीं है. Everyone is right in your place.
हम सब लोग आप लोगों के लिए काम कर रहे हैं ताकि आप लोग अपनी इच्छा शक्ति और विल पावर को बढ़ा सकें. सो एकदम सच लिखिए और अपनी विल पावर को इंप्रूव करने की कोशिश करिए. इसमें झूठ सच, बस एकदम सच लिखिए. सच बोलना भी एक जीत है, एक जीतने के बराबर है। हमेशा सच बोलिए। I bunk physical fitness. Who is this?
Pranam.
Okay, everyone. ठीक है. It's a nice. So next, Sanjana, now you
Yes.
can proceed.
Yes. Thank you all for participating and please ये सेशन इंटरैक्टिव होना चाहिए। यहाँ पे ऐसा नहीं कि मैं आके ज्ञान देके चली गई और उसके बाद आपका ज्ञान हवा में उड़ गया। सो आई वांट कि आप लोग कंसंट्रेट करें, समझे मैं क्या कर रही हूँ, क्या बोल रही हूँ, एंड देन कुछ भी क्वेश्चंस हो, कुछ भी डाउट्स हो, आप पूछ सकते हो। सो आई एम हियर फॉर यू, सो बी विथ मी। ओके, तो हम लोग नेक्स्ट पार्ट को समझने के लिए, नेक्स्ट लेसन लेने के लिए, उससे पहले we will do a visualization activity. So before we move on, we'll do a visualization activity. तो यहाँ पे visualization activity ये है कि जहाँ पे हम लोग आँख बंद करके we close our eyes and we try to see the image कि what we are achieving or what we want to achieve is actually happening. So we try to understand that our goals and desires are being fulfilled, but in which way, which pattern, are we going in the right process or not? So are you all ready? So I request you all to sit in a comfortable position and prepare yourself for this visualization meditation. And I promise that this will be a very helpful meditation for you. आज के लिए नहीं, but in future also you can do it. Just you have to mind map your visualization process, mind map your goals. So you may sit or lie down and make sure that आप बैठ भी सकते हो, या नॉर्मली जैसे चेयर पे हो तो ऐसे कंफर्टेबली बैठ जाओ, या फिर आप मेडिटेशन पॉज में बैठ जाओ, जैसे आपको कंफर्टेबल हो, बट मेक श्योर दैट यू आर अवेक एंड अवेयर। आप सुन रहे हो एंड आपके माइंड में वो प्रोसेस हो रहा है। ऐसा नहीं कि हम लोग बैठ गए एंड देन यू वेंट टू स्लीप, सॉरी, दैट वोंट हैपन हियर। तो यू हैव टू बी अवेक एंड बी अवेयर। एंड अगर आपको थोड़ा बहुत इधर उधर जाके एडजस्टमेंट करना है तो आप अभी कर लीजिए बिफोर वी स्टार्ट। एंड आई विल रिक्वेस्ट यू ऑल कि आप जब भी ये विजुअलाइजेशन मेडिटेशन करने के लिए बैठे या विजुअलाइजेशन एक्टिविटी करने के लिए बैठे, कीप योर बैकबोन स्ट्रेट, मेक योरसेल्फ एनर्जाइज। ऐसा नहीं कि अच्छा मेडिटेशन करते हैं सो जाते हैं, नो, नॉट लाइक दैट। एनर्जी एक रहना चाहिए अपने आप में। सो कीप योरसेल्फ एनर्जाइज एंड रिलैक्स। ऐसा नहीं कि ऐसे करके बैठ रहे, नो, जस्ट बी रिलैक्स, काम, सो दैट जो भी आप सोच रहे हो या फिर जो भी आप विजुअलाइजेशन करने जा रहे हो वो आपके स्ट्रेस के साथ मिक्स ना हो जाए। सो बी रिलैक्स्ड। सो प्लीज गेट रेडी एवरीवन। ओके, सब लोग रेडी है तो we'll start. So all of you close your eyes. Close your eyes. Empty your mind. जो भी सोच है आप वो सब छोड़ दीजिए and empty your mind. जैसे एक white board, black board जैसा खाली होता है, empty your mind. Start paying attention to what your breath is doing. आप कैसे सांस ले रहे हैं, concentrate on that. Try to concentrate and bring in attention. आपके ब्रीदिंग प्रोसेस में आप अटेंशन लेके आ जाइए। Is your breath long, short? Count your breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. अगर आप जल्दी जल्दी ब्रीथ कर रहे हैं, सांस ले रहे हैं, it's okay. You don't need to follow a particular pattern. Stay with the way you breathe. So breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Listen to what your body is telling you. Are you calm? Are you nervous? Are you stressed? Are you relaxed? Just examine the state of being without judgment and allow your breath to flow naturally. Naturally जैसे आप सांस लेते हैं वैसे ही आप लेते जाइए. Don't stress yourself. As a table tennis player, we always prepare ourselves for championships, for rankings, for matches. Every time we have that in our mind. Maybe it's a state ranking, it's a national ranking, international tournaments. We always prepare ourselves for competitions. Here, your abilities are always being challenged and tested. Your abilities are constantly being challenged and tested. So all that you have done in your practice time, all the time you have spent for practicing, is finally ready to be shown in your matches. And this can bring you incredible anxiousness and stressful experiences. You may be tensed. What will happen in my match? I have practiced this much. But don't worry. I'm here to guide you and to assure you that everything you have done till date, the time you have spent in practicing your every stroke to make it fine, your every skill to make it perfect, will not go in vain. You have dedicated to your skills, your strokes, your footworks. आप आपका टाइम, आपके skills, footworks, आपका techniques, tactics, concentration, confidence, and towards your sports आपने आपका time दिया है. Now you are ready for your matches. आप आज भी मैच खेलने के लिए रेडी हो. You are ready for this day. You are ready for this time. Just think कि आप अगर आज मैच खेल रहे हो तो आपका परफॉर्मेंस कैसा होगा? Will you be able to succeed? Think of it. Think आप एक बोर्ड पे हो, आपके ओपोनेंट्स है साइड पे, and you are playing. Think of the point. You need 1 point to win the match. Will you be able to succeed? If जीत गए तो how you succeeded? आप कैसे जीते? And if you have lost, आप कैसे हार गए? Think of that particular point. And tell yourself repeatedly, you are confident. You are confident. You are focused. Tell yourself, I am confident. I am focused. I am controlled by myself. I have self-control. I am committed to my game. I am ready for this day. I am ready for this point. And I have achieved this point. I have won the match. I did it. Stay with this feeling. Imagine yourself winning. Imagine yourself holding the trophy. Imagine yourself achieving all the happiness that you wanted, that you have spent your time practicing for. Imagine how you feel doing that. Now think, is that feeling bring you happiness? Is that feeling give you that happiness? Or you want to achieve more? Now continue to understand your breathing process. Try to learn and look at your breathing process. Breathe in positive energy and breathe out negative energy. आपके सांस लेने के तरीके पे आप कंसंट्रेट कीजिए. And breathe in positive energy. Breathe out negative energy. Breathe in with the count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathe out 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in with the ease. Relax yourself. Don't stiff yourself. Relax yourself. Repeat these phases after me, loudly and clearly. I am strong. I am strong. Say loudly, I am strong. I have done my practices correctly. I have done my practices correctly. This day is mine. Today is mine. I am prepared for my matches. I can, I will, and I am able to achieve it. I can, I will, and I have to achieve it. Once again, I can, I will, and I have achieved it. Stay with the feeling. Now slowly breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in positive energy and breathe out negative energy. You are strong, confident, and focused. Feel it that you are strong, you are confident, and you are focused. I'm going to count you up from 1 to 5. At 5, you will be fully awake and you will feel good about yourself. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Eyes open, wide awake. Eyes open and wide awake. Stay with that energy. Stay with that feeling. So please write in the chat how you're feeling now. Are you feeling energized? Are you feeling motivated? I have seen some people are sleeping while meditating, but if you sleep now, you have to sleep forever. You won't be able to achieve it, what you want to achieve. So I'd request you all do that whenever you get time. I think now you're feeling sleepy, but it's okay. You have to do it so that you can bring concentration, power more stronger. And I request everyone to please write in the chat how you are feeling right now. Avilaksh said, I'm feeling great. Himanshu, energetic and fresh. Priyanshi, motivated, calm. I'm feeling motivated. Great. So that's what I want from everyone. You need to feel great. You need to feel motivated and energized, so that whenever, if you do this for 5 minutes also before there's matches and all, it will really help you motivate yourself. So whenever you want, and start practicing during your practice sessions. When you go for practicing, when you go for this club practice and all, just do it at home for around 10 to 15 minutes or 5 minutes, in whatever time you're comfortable. Do it so that you feel that energy and go for the practice. This will help you achieve more in short span of time. It will help you keep yourself motivated. Okay. So if anyone wants to have some water, you can have it for 1 minute. I'm giving you a break of 1 minute. So you are relaxed and fresh and motivated. So drink some water and we'll go for the next session.
यस बच्चों, पानी पी के आओ फटाफट. नीड मोर वाटर इन दिस hot days. So all of you, be on your place. Have water and relax. Yes, all the players I can see. Gyan writing very well. Harish, STC Chennai. Rahan, आपकी छत ही दिखाई दे रही है. आप कहाँ हो? Yes, very good.
I'm really happy
Yes.
and proud of you all. You all are participating so actively. I'm really happy for you all.
थैंक यू बच्चों. टीचर्स को भी बताना पड़ता है ना कि आप ठीक से सुन रहे हैं, नहीं तो टीचर जो लेक्चर मेहनत से लेक्चर डिलीवर कर रहा है आपको बता रहा है. एंड दीज एक्सरसाइज साइकोलॉजिकल, लाइक आपकी साइकोलॉजिकल प्रिपरेशन बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है. जितना जैसे कल आपने योगा बहुत अच्छा किया था सबने. Everyone, we are happy that you people are participating very well. All the players. Kanishk, Shivam, Himanshu Sharma, Okhomya Manu.
অসমীয়া কথা কয়.
Okay, everyone. So let's start again. Sanjana, your screen, please. Start.
Yes. So let us move on to next topic, that is player SWOT analysis. So this SWOT stands for strength, weakness, opportunities, and strength. Threats. So this is how we analyze ourselves. So see, we all know how we play, what are our strong points and weaknesses, but we never look in depth of it. What actually is my strength? Is it what my coach is telling me, or is it what the other people are telling me? अरे यार तुम top spin बहुत अच्छे मार लेते हो, या side spin service is very good. But that is not only your strength. You have to analyze more in depth. Okay, people are saying top spin अच्छा है, so let me see. मैं खुद देखती हूँ कि is top spin really my strong point, या फिर नहीं, बोलने के लिए लोग बोल देते. So here with SWOT analysis, we will understand ourselves better. Ma'am.
Yes, everyone. ये एक तरह की एनालाइजेशन है कि अब आप अपने आप को जज कर सकते हैं. इसमें ये एक टेस्ट है, SWOT टेस्ट साइकोलॉजी का. इसमें स्ट्रेंथ, आपकी ताकत क्या है. आप अपनी नोटबुक उठाइए और लिखिए स्ट्रेंथ कि आपके गेम में आपकी टॉप स्पिन अच्छी है, आपका काउंटर अच्छा है, या आपकी हाई टॉस सर्विस अच्छी है. आप अपने 10 पॉइंट फटाफट लिखिए आपके गेम में कि क्या अच्छे हैं. ओके, राइट डाउन 5 ओनली. 5 स्ट्रॉन्ग पॉइंट. आप सब प्लेयर हैं टेबल टेनिस के. आपकी स्ट्रेंथ क्या है, आपके गेम में आपको क्या खेलना अच्छा लगता है. ये क्वेश्चंस हैं, मैम ने दिए हुए हैं. व्हाट डू यू डू वेल, आप क्या करते हैं. आप एक्सरसाइज अच्छे से करते हैं, या टेबल टेनिस में खेलने में आपका मन ज्यादा लगता है, उसमें आप क्या स्ट्रोक करते हैं. पहला क्वेश्चन है व्हाट डू यू डू वेल. सेकंड क्वेश्चन, व्हाट डू यू डू बेटर देन अदर्स. आप दूसरे से, किसी आपके पार्टनर से, किसी को भी इमेजिन करिए आप दूसरे से कैसे बेटर हैं. What unique stroke or strength you have. Write a single stroke जो आपके पास है और दूसरे के पास नहीं है. What are you proud of or really like about your game? Write down in your notebook. These questions are not in chat box. Please write down in your notebook. This is a test for you that you analyze yourself. आप अपने आप को टेस्ट कर सकें कि हम क्या हैं, आपकी स्ट्रेंथ क्या है, आपकी ताकत क्या है. Yes, everyone. Have you written roughly? what do you do well? जैसे अभी किसी प्लेयर ने चैट बॉक्स में लिखा था कि मुझे फिजिकल करना बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं लगता. I just don't like to do physical exercises. So even I have many players, they doesn't want to do at all. They can play if they allow them to play 5 hours, 6 hours on table, but they don't want to do. But we want that what is your strength, what is your ताकत. Okay, next. आप सबने लिख लिए होंगे ये 4 क्वेश्चंस हैं जो संजना मैम ने दिए.
सो स्ट्रेंथ आप लोग लिखिए. स्ट्रेंथ बस वही लिखना जो आपको लगता है कि आपका स्ट्रेंथ है. ये मत लिखना जो दूसरे आपको आके बोलते हैं कि ये तेरा स्ट्रेंथ है. जो आपका है वो जो आपको लगता है, राइट दैट. उल्टा मत लिख के आ जाना कि अरे यार सब लोग, मेरा दोस्त लोग बोलते हैं अरे फ्लैट बहुत अच्छे करते हैं, साइड स्पिन अच्छा है, लिख देते हैं वही. नहीं, आपको क्या समझ में आता है, कौन सा आपका एक्चुअल में अच्छा है वो लिखिए. एंड देन वी विल मूव ऑन टू आवर वीकनेस. द नेक्स्ट विंडो इज फॉर वीकनेस. तो वीकनेस में जैसे किसी ने अभी मैम ने भी मेंशन किया है और चैट बॉक्स में भी उन लोगों ने लिखा है कि फिजिकल एक्सरसाइज करना पसंद नहीं है. सो दैट इज योर वीकनेस. So write that there कि अपना weakness क्या है कि physical strength मेरा कम है. That is your weakness. Concentration कम होता है. Not only you have to talk about your physical health, you have to talk about your mental health as well. कि मेरा span of attention कम है, मेरा attention देने का power बहुत कम है, या फिर मेरा बात सुनने का इतना ध्यान वो नहीं रहता है, मेरे का टाइम नहीं रहता है कि अरे कोच तो बोलते रहते हैं बोलने दो, I'll do the one what I feel like to do. ऐसा नहीं है. So those are your weaknesses. So here we have what could you do better. So आप कौन से चीज पे, कौन से स्किल पे आप बेटर कर सकते हो. What you should avoid. जैसे हो गया कि आपको फिजिकल एक्सरसाइज करना पसंद नहीं है. So उसको आप कैसे पॉजिटिव में चेंज करोगे, उसको स्ट्रेंथ कैसे बनाओगे. So to do that, to regularly come to field and work, so you have to avoid your laziness. So what you should avoid, that laziness is the thing that you need to avoid. The fatigue thing that you have, you need to avoid. So write that. And what unique stroke or strength you lack in. तो जैसे हो गए, you know your top spin is perfect. Top spin में we have backhand and forehand. So किसी का backhand अच्छा है तो किसी का forehand. So इसमें we need both. ऐसा नहीं कि सिर्फ forehand top spin से हम लोग game जीत जाएंगे. We need both sometimes. तो what you lack in कि backhand top spin मुझे और ठीक करना है. So that is the one. Next is what defaults others see in you. अभी जैसे कोच ने आपको बोल दिया कि तुम्हारा स्पिन, टॉप स्पिन पे स्पिन नहीं होता है, that is your default. जैसे आपका हो गया किसी कैंप में गए तो वहां पे भी दूसरा कोच ने बोल दिया, या आपका पेरेंट्स कभी कभार बोल देता है अरे तुम्हारा इसमें होगा, या खुद तुमने एनालाइज किया है कि मेरा ये प्रॉब्लम है. So that is what you will write in your weakness. Am I clear?
Yes, very much clear. Yes, you write down your strength, weakness, उस पेपर पे टेस्ट करिए. What opportunities, what schemes and trends you can take advantage of, what unique streak or strength you can. ये आप अपनी weakness को opportunities में convert कर सकते हैं.
Yes, exactly. और अपॉर्चुनिटीज में आपका ये भी आएगा कि जैसे आपका स्ट्रेंथ हो गया कि मेरा मैच में समटाइम्स आई विन एंड समटाइम्स आई लूज, बट द स्ट्रेंथ इज मेरे पास ये सर्विस है एंड ये टिप्स एंड टेक्निक्स है. एंड आपका वीकनेसेस हो गया कि मुझे ये स्ट्रोक्स पे काम करना है, ये मेंटल हेल्थ पे काम करना है. एंड यू क्लब अप. व्हेन यू क्लब अप यू आर स्ट्रांग. तो आप स्ट्रांग हो तो यू विल बी टॉप ऑफ एवरीवन. So once you are top, तो आपका opportunity होगा कि if I stay in top 4, I will get a scholarship. If I play a nationals or a international, मुझे उस पे credits मिलेगा. So that is an opportunity. So strength and weaknesses को if you make strong, then you can make it into your opportunity. Then you can take advantage of that, and those will be your uniqueness. And lastly is a threat. So threat is something जहाँ पे हम लोगों को लगता है कि नहीं ये मेरे लिए प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है, या ये मेरे काम पे, मेरे स्पोर्ट्स में, मेरे कैरियर पे ये प्रॉब्लम कर सकते हैं. So that is your threat. Sorry. So it is something that hurts or harm you. So जैसे कि आपके कंपिटिटर्स लोग क्या कर रहे हैं और आपका क्या स्ट्रेंथ है. इफ यू लुक एट द कंपिटिटर कि आपका जो ओपोनेंट है या आपका कंपिटिटर जो है वो 1000 मल्टीबॉल्स खेल रहे हैं फॉर एंड ऑफ स्पिन का, एंड यू लुक एट दैट एंड यू आर डूइंग दैट, दैट इज अ थ्रेट. उसको वो करेक्ट करना है, तुमको दूसरा करेक्ट करना है. यू डू डिफरेंट. जितना यूनिक करोगे, the more you do unique things, the more unique you will become. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, all the time children, all the time players. I always says in the camps also, खाली अपने वर्क पे फोकस करो. हम दूसरे को देखते रहते हैं कि उसका बैकहैंड बहुत अच्छा है, चलो मुझे भी बैकहैंड मार लेना चाहिए, या उसने 1000 टॉपसन मारी, मैं भी 1000 टॉपसन मारूंगा. मैंने देखा हमेशा बच्चों का ध्यान खाली दूसरे प्लेयर्स की तरफ रहता है. मैम ये नहीं कर रहा, मैम ये नहीं कर रहा. मैम संजना मैम भी आपको यही समझा रहे हैं कि फोकस ऑन योर टास्क. आपको अपने टास्क पे काम करना है. आपके जो थ्रेड्स हैं, वो आपका डर है अंदर का, यार वो तो 1000 मार रहा है, मेरे से तो हो नहीं रहा. नहीं, आप अगर उसको नहीं देख के उन 1000 टॉपसन मारने की अपनी ताकत को बढ़ाओ, अपने थ्रेड्स को दूर करो. जो भी आपके डर हैं बच्चों, जो भी अंदर से डर हैं कि मेरे हाथ में 1000 टॉपसन मारने की ताकत नहीं है, या मैं 1000 बैकहैंड नहीं खेल सकता, या मैं इतनी शैडो नहीं कर सकता, हर डर को पकड़कर, हर थ्रेट को पकड़कर दूर कीजिए. वर्क ऑन दैट कॉन्टिन्यूसली, 1 वीक वर्क ऑन दैट. आप अपने गेम को तभी इंप्रूव कर सकते हैं जब एक स्ट्रोक को पकड़कर, फोकस ऑन 1 स्ट्रोक, एंड देन जब तक वो परफेक्ट ना हो जाए, आप उस पर लगे रहिए. Then you will have a trump card in your hand that I have a topspin best, I have a backhand best, I have a defense best. Don't think about others, think about yourself. Sanjana.
Yes. So I hope कि सब लोगों ने ये डायग्राम जो है, ये जो बॉक्सेस है, ये जो आपको दिया गया है क्वेश्चंस एंड बॉक्सेस, आप लोगों ने नोट डाउन किया है, एंड यू हैव रिटन योर स्ट्रेंथ्स, योर वीकनेसेस, योर अपॉर्चुनिटीज एंड योर थ्रेट्स. So आप अपने आप को एनालिसिस कर लिए हैं. I hope that everyone has done this, and this is most important tool to understand yourself. अब यहाँ पे एक चीज देखिए, जैसे स्ट्रेंथ हो गया, आपका स्ट्रेंथ इज एन इंटरनल फैक्टर, आपका वीकनेसेस हो गया इंटरनल फैक्टर. जैसे जो हम लोग अपने अंदर में क्या है, अपने माइंड को जैसे समझने के लिए कोशिश कर रहे हैं, इट इज दैट, वो अपने अंदर है, अपना स्ट्रेंथ अपना है, अपना वीकनेसेस अपना है. अपॉर्चुनिटीज बाहर से है, सो अपॉर्चुनिटीज इज एन एक्सटर्नल फैक्टर. थ्रेट्स जो आपको हर्ट कर सकते हैं, जो आपको हार्म कर सकते हैं, दैट इज एन एक्सटर्नल फैक्टर. सो हम लोग अपॉर्चुनिटीज और थ्रेट्स को कंट्रोल नहीं कर सकते. टू कंट्रोल अपॉर्चुनिटीज एंड थ्रेट्स 50% और 25%, उसके लिए हम लोगों को अपना स्ट्रेंथ और वीकनेसेस को 100% कंट्रोल में रखना पड़ेगा. सो कंट्रोल व्हाट यू कैन कंट्रोल. सो यहाँ पे मैंने 7 रीजंस रखा है. सो 7 रीजंस टू यूज स्वॉट एनालिसिस. सो स्वॉट एनालिसिस के यूज के लिए 7 रीजंस मैंने रखा है. एक है, इफ यू डू स्वॉट एनालिसिस, आपको आइडियाज मिलेगा और आपको अपने गोल सेट करने पे आप अपना इनपुट्स दे सकते हो. जब आपको पता चलेगा कि आप कहाँ पे आप स्ट्रांग हो, कहाँ पे वीक हो, तो आपका जो गोल होगा वो अकॉर्डिंगली होगा. सेकेंड इज, अपने पर्सनल कैरियर प्लानिंग के लिए भी ये यूज कर सकते हो कि नाउ टेबल टेनिस इज नॉट जस्ट फॉर फन या फिर एक लेवल तक. नाउ इट्स अ कैरियर थिंग. आप टेबल टेनिस में आप कैरियर बना सकते हो. यू कैन सी सत्यन है, शरद कमल है, तो दे आर मेकिंग कैरियर्स आउट ऑफ टेबल टेनिस. वो प्रोफेशन हो गए आज. सो इट विल हेल्प यू प्लान आउट योर कैरियर प्लानिंग्स. टेबल टेनिस से आप अपना कैरियर कैसे ले जा सकते हो. थर्ड इज टू प्रिपेयर एंड अचीव फॉर हायर रैंक इन कंपटीशन. अभी जैसे आपको पता चलेगा स्वॉट, आपका स्वॉट एनालिसिस, वैसे ही आप अपने आप को प्रिपेयर कर सकते हो कि आप अभी किस रैंक पे हो, एंड बाय डूइंग व्हाट यू कैन अचीव द हायर लेवल. फोर्थ इज प्रॉपर गेम प्लानिंग. obviously once you know your weaknesses and strengths, आप properly आपका game plan कर सकते हो. ये कोई भी ऐसा नहीं है कि मैंने जो भी आपको बोला है वो whatever I am saying it is only in national and international level. नहीं, ये grassroots level के लिए भी है. आप आज beginner हो, if you are thinking of qualifying till pre-quarter also it will help you. ऐसा नहीं कि आपको रैंक पे रहना पड़ेगा then only it will help you. No, it will help you in each and every level of your life. और ये नहीं कि सिर्फ टेबल टेनिस में, it will help you in all aspects. Then next is evaluating the success of a plan. आप अपना success को भी evaluate कर सकते हो, and even you can analyze. जैसे competitors का analysis होता है ना कि एक championship में weaknesses में या फिर threats में हम लोग उसमें देखते हैं कि अपना competitors क्या कर रहे हैं. That is very important. I think everyone agrees with me कि सिर्फ अपने साथ साथ अपना competitors भी क्या कर रहे हैं वो भी देखना जरूरी है to understand my strength and weaknesses to improve myself. क्योंकि competition नहीं है तो कुछ नहीं है, but self competition is the very first step you have to take. अपने आप से compete करो, उसके बाद दूसरों के साथ. And lastly is to analyze a personal crisis situation or provide areas. या अपने आप में ये I told you ये personal level में भी होता है, तो you can do SWOT analysis on your personal level as well कि आपका दिन कैसा चल रहा है, आपको क्या खराबी हो रहा है, कहाँ पे आपको improve करना है, तो personal life में भी ये help करते हैं. So let us move on. After SWOT analysis, what now I would like to talk about is concentration. So, ma'am, would you like to say something?
No, Sanjana, it is perfectly all right. You are speaking English and Hindi bilingual. If anyone have any problem, please, I think you can read in English and listen in Hindi. I don't think anyone, because she is speaking both the language. Sanjana, please proceed.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. So our next topic is on power of concentration. The very important thing, the hero of everything, that is concentration. Lack of concentration will lead to failure, and a good level of concentration will lead to success, and too much of concentration will also lead to failure. So here we will see what concentration is and what are the areas like concentration is based upon, some tips and tricks to improve your concentration. Okay, here we proceed. So what concentration is? So as a table tennis player, we often come up with problems stating that एक मैच हार गए तो विल से अरे यार कंसंट्रेट ही नहीं कर पाए, मैच ऐसे ही निकल गया, फोकस ही नहीं कर पाए, अरे यार क्या तो स्पिन आ रहा था समझ ही नहीं आया, मतलब इतना ये लाइट के चक्कर में ना फोकस नहीं हो रहा. We have these phrases. Even coaches will agree, I think, because they are also listening to this. Even I have said personally to my coaches as well, so I couldn't concentrate because itna shore mach raha tha. So that is what personally happened to me as well as a player. So I know every player has gone with this someday or the other, and coaches ko ye sunna pada, and coaches are like, you're giving excuses, ye wo, fine. So what I say is, ye hota hai, but then concentration is within us. It's not that किसी को देख के concentration मिलता है. No, it's all inside here, in mind. Here we are concentrating. So concentration क्या है? The word concentration, ये जो word है, we often change with attention and focus. अरे attention दो, pay attention. Class में teachers बोलते हैं pay attention. जैसे मैच में हम लोग खेलते हैं तो मैम सर बोलते हैं अरे ध्यान दो इसमें, बॉल देखो, स्पिन देखो. This all are the things we hear. So we often change with attention and focus. So concentration is the ability to think absolutely nothing when it is absolutely necessary. So that means concentration is the ability to perform with clear and present focus. So what I am trying to say is concentration, when we try to think about concentration, we have to clean the slate and focus on what particular things we are trying to do or trying to achieve, rather than thinking of match के बाद बाहर जाके पानी पूरी खाएंगे, रूम पे जाएंगे, सोएंगे, जीत गए तो ट्रॉफी लेने स्टेज पे जाएंगे, हार गए तो रूम पे जाके मातम मनाएंगे. So no, So no, we are not doing that. So concentration is not about thinking thousands of things at a time. Concentration is abhi ye match, मैं जो खेल रही हूँ, each and every point, pay attention to them. कि ये ball क्या आएंगे, what I will hit and how will I get the point. एक ball miss हो गया. Once Sharad Kamal, I asked him, with due respect, I asked him that हमेशा whenever 10-9, 10 all in सब में we lose points. So how do you stay calm? So his reply was, I never think of जो हो गया. I think of क्या होगा next and how will I get that point. So think of what next rather than क्या हुआ था. So that is what I'm talking about concentration. So these are few of the bases where concentration is based upon. We have 4 here, but these all are interchangeable and they are all together. Okay, so as I explain, you will understand. So broad type of concentration is where we allow ourselves to perceive in a bigger picture. जैसे कि opponent का racket कहाँ से कैसे आ रहे हैं, to what the ball is, in which direction the ball is moving, तो मेरे court पे कहाँ पे आ रहा है, तो what I will hit. So we have multiple points to look at. Because अगर opponent का bat देखते रहेंगे तो we'll miss everything, या फिर ball का spin देखते रहेंगे तो we'll miss how to play. So we have to put multiple attentions कि opponent का racket to the ball, the touch in the ball, to the spin, to my court and the stroke I will play and I'll get the point. So that is a broad area we are focusing on. So that is a broad level of concentration. Next is narrow level of concentration. That is where we focus on only 1 or 2 points. For example, you are playing multi-ball. So जैसे robo है, robo से the ball multi-ball आ रहे हैं. So here what we are focusing, the spin of the ball and the area where we are hitting. So we are focusing on 1 or 2 aspects, or it can be maximum 3 or 4. That's it. Small amount of area we are focusing on. So that is narrow. Now external. External level of concentration is where we are focusing on the ball. Ball is an external material. We are focusing on the spin of the ball. Those are external. We are focusing on अरे net पे लग के आया कि net का कितना ऊपर नीचे से आया. Is the ball high? Is the ball low? Will I do the spin? That is external level of concentration. And the final and most important level of concentration is internal. So internal is where comes our thought process and our feeling. ये ball का spin मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. That is what is happening. What if I'm unable to receive and मेरा points चला जाए? So what we do, instead of thinking in that way, internally if we wire ourselves stating that ठीक है spin आएगा, एक time में spin खत्म हो जाएगा, at that point I'll play the stroke and I will get the point. So that is internal. So whatever we feel at that time, the emotions, the thoughts, the motivations, whatever is happening, that is internal. So यहाँ पे what I am trying to say is mix हो जाता है, in the sense we have to take broad level of concentration and internal level of concentration all together sometimes, या फिर narrow level of concentration and external together. जैसे for example, we are focusing on the multi-ball practice में we are focusing on the ball and the area. So यहाँ पे external क्या हो गया, spin, and the area we are processing or looking at is the आप कैसे hit कर रहे हो और कहाँ hit कर रहे हो. So this we can interchange. So with times it can be together. It doesn't mean you have broad मतलब एक ही या narrow मतलब एक ही. It can be interchangeable. Am I clear?
Yeah, very much clear. Yes, बच्चों सबको समझ में आ रहा है ठीक से?
So if you want, you can note it down how it works. If you want, you can write it down for your further references.
They will get PPT. Vishwajit has given a link. They can download on Sai website.
Great.
So in chat box, Vishwajit has given a link, so they can see it again. Right? Okay, yeah. Sanjana, proceed.
Yeah. So now these are some of the tips and tricks to increase the power of your concentration. So first one is, it's not that magic spell or magic power. Okay, it's the very normal thing. It's not like Harry Potter thing or like magic wand, you will move and you will do this and you will gain concentration in a day. No, it is the normal practice that you have to do regularly. Okay, so first one is proper amount of sleep, a good sleep, because we need sleep, because sleep has a huge effect on our mental health. So when we get enough sleep, it is easier to cope with our stress, handle problems, decision makings, concentration, positive thinking, etc. So proper sleep is very important. The next is practice positive thinking. So positive thinking doesn't mean that I am happy, I am happy, I am happy. No, that is not a positive thinking. It is a positive thinking, but that is not how it will help you out. So positive thinking is important because it will keep your mindset healthy and happy. But sometimes we have sadness in our life as well. Every day you are not happy, or every moment you are not happy. Sometimes you are angry, sometimes you are sad, sometimes you feel dull doing nothing. So what we can do is, we have to look at the positive side. Whenever you feel sad, dull, or doing nothing kind of feeling, look at what are the good things that happened with you on that particular day, or those days, or during those matches. Look at that and think of it. Look at those situations and feel the happiness that happened really with you at that moment of time. So this is how you practice positive thinking. Remind yourself that I did at that time and I can do it now as well. बस कभी कभार when we are playing matches, हम लोग एक ही opponent के साथ बहुत बार खेल लेते हैं. Sometimes we win and sometimes we lose. So at that moment, if we lose, we should not feel that sadness and say that no, I'm better, I'm good. No, you can't say that, but you have to make your mind trained, stating that I did at that time, today I did a mistake, learn the mistake, what went wrong, correct it, and say I will win again, I can do this again. Next is practice problem solving. Obviously problem solving ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि every day you have a huge problem. आज मम्मी के साथ झगड़ा, कल पापा के साथ झगड़ा, परसों दोस्त के साथ झगड़ा, so that I can create a problem and solve it. No, वो problem solving नहीं होगा, वो burden हो जाएगा problem के ऊपर problem, and nothing will be solved, and you'll be like मेरे से नहीं होगा ये सब. So problem solving is not that. Problem solving is solving very minute issues every day. जैसे आज सपोज यू आर राइटिंग समथिंग, एक पेपर में आप बहुत अच्छे से लिख रहे हैं, एंड सडनली आपको वो पेपर में मिस्टेक करने का मन नहीं था, बट एक मिस्टेक हो गया. अरे यार इसको क्या करूं, व्हाइटनर लगाओ कि ये करो कि वो करो, और लिखने में बहुत टाइम चला जाएगा. दैट इज योर प्रॉब्लम. नाउ हाउ विल यू सॉल्व इट? Someone will put whitener in a very beautiful way, someone will rewrite it, or someone will just simply cut it. एक लाइन पे कट करके लिखना शुरू कर दिया, so that it looks patterned. So this is how you solve the issue. So that is how you are practicing problem solving. जब अपने लाइफ में छोटा छोटा प्रॉब्लम्स को सॉल्व करना सीख जाओगे ना, that time जीवन में बड़ा प्रॉब्लम्स भी you can solve it easily. And एक दिन में प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग नहीं होगा, you have to practice it regularly. Just a second. Okay. Next is slow down and relax when you feel burdened. अभी जैसे sometimes you all have noticed while we are playing, हम लोग इतने जल्दी जल्दी पे खेलते हैं, तो sometimes ऐसा हो जाता है कि जल्दी जल्दी में पॉइंट कब चले गए, कब मैच खत्म हो गए, we couldn't understand. Sometimes we play so fast that the points go in a click and we don't understand what happened and we lost. So instead of playing with the pace of your opponent, just change the pace. Like tie your shoelace. These are tips and tricks we get from our coaches and our trainers as well sometimes. Tie your shoelace, take a timeout, towel yourself, drink some water. So slow down the pace. Slow down the pace so that you can relax. Or when the service is in your hand, stay ready with the service position, and before serving, just take a breathe in and breathe out, or remind yourself that this is my point. Okay, one more. That's how you slow down and you relax your burden from yourself. Next is meditation and mindful practices. The meditations and the visualization techniques that we used, those are one kind of meditation. There are others as well, where you listen to music and meditate, or where you listen to other voices, guided meditation. There are many mindfulness trainings are there, where you understand each and every point. You become mindful of everything. And I request everyone, please practice mindfulness. So mindfulness is something, what when you are drinking water, pay attention to that water. Feel the taste of the water. Feel how the water goes through from your mouth to your stomach, how it goes. So give that attention, that minute attention. If you practice this in everything, while you are bathing, pay attention how you're bathing, the water, the warmth or the coldness of the water. Feel that. When you start feeling those things, then it will help you in your game. You will try to understand, okay, what kind of spin is coming, what I am playing, is it good for me? So those things will help you. So practice mindfulness. That is the best technique to feel things and understand, and make yourself more confident and motivated. Next is, yes, the one thing is practice the above exercises. So to increase your concentration power, practice whatever tips and tricks I have given you. And lastly, if you still think that you need some, obviously you will need some help, because you are growing, you are playing, you are still on the verge of winning. So you need some guidance. So communicate with your coaches, communicate with your trainers, your mental trainers. You can even communicate with me whenever you want. You think you are lacking somewhere, you can even communicate with me. I'm always available for you all. So reach out for your guidance. Okay, am I clear?
Yeah. Yes, Sanjana, it's fine.
Okay. So moving on, before I conclude, I want to give you some bonus points and tips, you can say, which I learned from my experience of playing table tennis in those years. And even when I started training few of my students, as well as a psychologist also, I feel the same. So I'll give you small tips. I feel it will work for you, but it's okay. You don't need to pressurize yourself that this will work for me, because everyone is different. There is an individual difference for everyone. So here are your bonus points. Those are, see, sometimes when we feel anxious or we lose focus, or sometimes we see our opponent is shouting like anything whenever they get point, and that demotivates us. या फिर गैलरी में बहुत सारे लोग बॉटल बजाने शुरू कर दिए, एंड लाइक वी आर लाइक ओके हो गया, हम लोग हार गए. सो मेंटली वी लूज. सो टू make yourself mentally strong and prepared at that very moment, these are the very moment tips. So smile. That smile will bring happiness, and that will send message to your brain that no, it's okay to be down, like 9-8 down here, 9-5 down. It's okay to have less points, we can make it up. So smile when you are under pressure or under tension. Enjoy the match. जब you are thinking कि अरे point जा रहे हैं, I'm losing points one after the other, don't pressurize. Enjoy that. Okay, I'm losing this point, next point is mine, this is mine. Once you get it, you will be motivated again. So enjoy that situation, enjoy the fun of playing that game, that moment, that point. Then, as I have already said, practice handling stress, the problem decision making things, slow down yourself and take time. Time is one of the most important factor. Time, everything needs time. For you to reach today's level, you took time. ऐसा नहीं कि you आज खेलना शुरू कर दिया, today you went for practice, you know today you have learned how to hold the racket and today only you played finals. No, you took time. So give yourself some time. Time heals everything, as we all say. So time is very important. So before I conclude, I would request you all to sit in your comfortable positions and relax yourself. Leave all your books, pen, paper, सब कुछ एक साइड पे रख दीजिए. Relax yourself. Close everything, keep them aside. Sit in your comfortable position with your backbone straight. Now we'll chant another sloka, another mantra that will make you feel good about yourself, make you feel motivated about yourself. Relax, everyone, sit in relaxed position, close your eyes, backbone straight, and say along with me loudly, or if you want, if you feel that if you don't feel comfortable speaking out loud, you can chant it inside your mind. Breathe in, close your eyes and breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Asato ma sadgamaya tamaso ma jyotirgamaya mrityormamritam gamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. O God, please guide us. Please help us increase our concentration, our level of focus and attention. From ignorance, lead me to truth. From darkness, lead me to light. From death, lead me to immortality. O God, let me be in peace with nature. Let me be in peace with myself, and let me be in peace with the divine forces. Light is my guide. Light is my guide. Light is my guide. Stay with that energy. Stay with that positivity within yourself. Try to recall what you have learned. Try to remember what you have learned. Try to visualize what you have gained today. Try to see yourself in that ball of that energy. Feel that energy. Feel the protectiveness of that ball. Think you are inside that ball of energy and you are surrounded by positive energies. Visualize yourself inside it. Visualize all the negative energies are being removed from yourself. And the ball is protecting you with all its positive energies. Breathe in positive energy. Breathe out negative energy. Slowly breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathe out. 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in. Relax yourself. Relax your muscles. Breathe out. Relax yourself. Loosen up your hands and legs. Feel the positivity. Feel the positive air around you. Stay with the feeling. Stay with the positive feeling. Now slowly, slowly, slowly open your eyes. Counting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I hope you're all feeling relaxed and positive. If so, please give it in the comment box how you're feeling. So I conclude my session here, and I hope everyone is feeling energized, motivated, and confident about yourself. So thank you, everyone. Thank you for being with me and listening to me and helping me out with the session, being actively participating with me and listening to all my words and all my lectures and everything. See, I don't want to give lecture and I literally don't know to give lectures. I hope you have learned, and surely something or the other you have gained. So I would like to thank the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports, Government of India, Sports Authority of India, Table Tennis Federations of India, and providing me this wonderful platform. And yes, thank you once again to all my dear students, table tennis fraternity, and all the dignitaries, especially Suman Parikh ma'am and Dr. Atul Dubey sir. Thank you, Vishwajit, for helping me out with the presentation and all. Thank you so much.
Yes, Dr. Atul Dubey, please, your favorite subject.
Ma'am, it will take another half an hour for me to come in a routine situation. So I request you to please offer thanks to today's speaker, Sanjana ma'am, who has really taken us to some platform which can be discovered, which can be known as something, some divinity was rotating somewhere around us. So सुमन मैम, आज आप ही जो है थोड़ा सा वोट ऑफ थैंक्स ऑफर करें हमारी आज की स्पीकर को प्लीज.
Thank you, Dr. Atul. As it was your favorite subject, we need your suggestions, but it's okay. Sanjana, I'm really proud of you that I was associated with you, and in my time you played very well and everything. I really love it, and you are such a big personality now. You are dealing with psychology, sports psychology, and really we are happy that your views, your psychology, your studies will help all the table tennis player. Thank you so much. Thank you, dear players.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. And Atul Dubey, sir, I'll definitely contact you because I do need your help because I'm preparing for PhD as well. So I am trying to apply somewhere or the other, but I will definitely contact you as well.
Sure. Always welcome. Always welcome.
Thank
so
you,
with
sir.
this, Bachon, you had traveled a lot today in your consciousness with your subconsciousness, because when a psychological treatment has been given, or when a psychology scholar or psychology tutor is dealing with you, they always take you to some another world. And this is what we all had witnessed, we all had felt today. Once again, Sanjana ma'am, thank you. Of course, this was a very, very awesome session today. So tomorrow, Bachchan, session will be delivered by Dr. Neeru Malik, who is Associate Professor in Sports and Physical Education in Punjab University, Chandigarh. And apart from that, she was herself a very good player of her days, and having so many portfolios she is bearing right now in different universities and Olympic Association and all. So she will be talking about the some changes of behavioral changes, hormonal changes, or so many things in the phase of puberty, where you all guys are almost either entering or had already started passing through. One famous psychologist, I think Sanjana ma'am will correct me, was it Sigmund Freud or whom, who has said that Sigmund Freud, that this teens is the age of tycoons, typhoons, so many तूफान, बहुत सारे तूफान जीवन में आते हैं, तो उन तूफानों को कैसे,
famous and favorite psychologist of everyone, for everyone, Sigmund Freud. Yes.
तो कल का सेशन जो है 5:15 बजे बच्चों इसी टॉपिक पे रहेगा, और आप लोगों की आने वाले 4-5 सालों के लिए, नॉट ओनली बीइंग एज अ प्लेयर but as an individual, how to balance, how to do so many things in next 4-5 years. This session is also going to be a very awesome, very educative, very knowledgeable. With this, I am thankful to today's speaker again, Sanjana Raj ma'am, to Sports Authority of India, to Table Tennis Federation of India, to our expert, ma'am Suman Parikh, to our young professional and IT expert, Shri Vishwajit ji. To see you tomorrow, same time, 5:15. Till then, have a good sleep, have a healthy day. Good day.